When we talk about innovation, we're thinking about things that can change the value chain. Take an example of this fertilizer. People have been wasting the chicken droppings, but right now we have come up with a product called organic fertilizer, and the people are using it for all plants.
Look who we have here. So we are live in 2025 Harvest Money Expo here at Nambour Stadium, and beside me I'm with Mr. Jeka, that's Mr. Wasanga Johnson, and he's going to tell us briefly what he's exhibiting here in the expo, what kind of products he's exhibiting. Of course, he has lots of other things he's offering to the people who are coming in the expo. Mr. Wasanga, nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to welcome the people in this exhibition of 2025. It is called Harvest Money. You're most welcome. We are here at our stall, Jeka Animal Feeds. We are exhibiting the products called Solprovit. Solprovit, we have 10% layer feeds, a layer concentrate, 20% layer concentrate, 30% breeder, and then a breeder pre-starter, plus our lovely manure. It's called the organic fertilizer from chicken droppings.
Mr. Wasanga, I've seen there are so many stalls in here. They are promoting their products, especially the concentrates and the feed, just like you mentioned.
Yeah.
What differentiates your products from the rest of the vendors in this expo?
Yeah, our products has the best farm results. When a farmer uses it, will always experience the best farm results in terms of production. And if you use it for eggs production, you will see yellow yolk eggs, and then the production percentage will be high at 90 or 95%, depending on the age of the birds.
Okay.
Yes.
You mentioned 10% layer. What does that even mean?
You remember some time ago I educated you. I told you when we talk about 10% of layer concentrate, we mean 10% of the feed that you're making will be our concentrate. Yes.
All right, so many of you have been wondering where to meet Mr. Jeka. You always meet him in such gatherings because this is where farming meets innovation. And when we talk about innovation, of course...
When we talk about innovation, we mean thinking about things that can change the value chain. Take an example of this fertilizer. People have been wasting the chicken droppings, throwing to everywhere. But right now, with an innovation, we have come up with a product called the organic fertilizer, and the people are using it for all plants: maize, coffee, banana plantation, tomatoes. So you can use it for your garden. So this is an innovation. Instead of throwing it for the neighbors to suffer with the smell, we get a product from it, and it is helping other farmers also.
Amazing. In case you're just wondering where to find Jeka outside the expo, he's going to tell us where we can find him and other services besides the fertilizer and the feeds. He's going to tell us more about what he offers at his farm and other services.
We have a branch in Kampala on Entebbe Road near Shell. Shell is near the former ShopRite, and we are on that building on first floor, room number 9. But we are also at Mukono on Bugerere Road. They call it Bugerere Road, on a building called the Adonai Complex, opposite Toto. We are there. In Jinja, we are on Uganda Road, opposite a depot of Bell. And then in Kamuli, we are on our farm in Bukwenge, behind the Kamuli Girls. We also have agents in Bujuko. We have MJK. In Iganga, we have Iganga Vet Drug Shop. And in Kaliro, we have Bolamoji Vet Drug Shop. We have other one in Buenge. It's called Enoch Feed Shop, I think.
So, Mr. Basangwa, you have been here this is the second day. What questions are farmers asking mostly? What are they, what do you think from your conversation with them? What's the biggest challenge or the concern?
Farmers are looking for the best products to give them results on their farms. That's what they are looking for. Because there are many concentrates on the market, but they are looking for the very best that can give them best results on their farms. So that's what they are looking for. And the availability of the product. Those are the two things that they are normally yearning for. The best product to give them good results, and also the product that is always available on market.
All right. Thank you so much.